They were too tall, too strong, too human, and yet not human at all. For over a century, whispers have circulated about giant skeletons discovered across the world, bones that challenge everything we know about evolution. They were too tall, too strong, too human, and yet not human at all. For over a century, whispers have circulated about giant skeletons discovered across the world, bones that challenge everything we know about evolution. But each time they surface, something strange happens. The evidence disappears. Who were these beings? Why were their remains buried? And why are governments and museums so desperate to keep them hidden? In the late 1800s, explorers in the American Midwest uncovered what newspapers sensationally called the skeletons of giants. Some measured a staggering 10 to 12 feet tall, with skulls twice the size of normal humans and elongated jaws. From the Ohio River Valley to the deserts of Nevada, accounts flooded in. Ancient burial mounds filled with bones far too massive for Homo sapiens. Local tribes spoke of the Star People, celestial visitors who walked among humans and taught them how to build and farm. Archaeologists sent the remains to the Smithsonian Institution for study, but after arrival, every single record vanished. No bones, no photos, just an unnerving silence. Why would the world's largest museum hide proof of a lost race? Unless these skeletons weren't from Earth at all. Modern DNA science could have solved this mystery if we still had all the bones. But the few fragments that survived show genetic anomalies inconsistent with modern humans. Double rows of teeth, extra vertebrae, dense metallic bone composition, as if designed for gravity stronger than Earth's. Intriguingly, ancient texts describe similar beings, the Nephilim of the Bible, the Titans of Greece, the Anunnaki of Sumer. They were said to be offspring of gods and humans, hybrids who ruled early civilizations before being wiped out by cataclysm. Could these skeletons be the remains of those hybrid beings, proof that our creators once walked beside us? Researchers who spoke out about the finds often met ridicule, job loss, or worse. Photographic evidence vanished from archives, reports reclassified. One Smithsonian whistleblower claimed thousands of giant skeletons were destroyed in secret between 1900 and 1950 to protect the accepted timeline of human history. But why erase the past? Perhaps because acknowledging a hybrid race means acknowledging that humans didn't evolve alone, that our DNA carries traces of another species, one not from this world. The mystery isn't confined to America. In Ecuador, miners unearthed a 7-foot-long femur matching no known primate. In India, satellite images revealed burial sites large enough for 12-foot bodies. And in Sardinia, legends of the Great Ones align perfectly with skeletal discoveries, bones quickly seized by authorities. From the Andes to the Himalayas, the stories converge. Whispers tell of an ancient race that ruled before the Great Flood, a race created through genetic fusion between humans and visitors from the stars. These weren't just giants of myth and legend, they were the prototypes, the very first hybrid generation. If these bones prove that humans were engineered, then everything changes. Evolution, religion, even history itself, rewritten in bone and blood. The giants may be gone, but their DNA may live on inside us. And in the next episode, we'll follow that bloodline.